This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, good evening. In this video, I will explain you how to see the substitution transaction codes of SAP. For example, if you take ME51N, purchase requisition, the enjoy transaction, earlier the transaction code was ME51. In the same way, purchase order, ME21N, earlier it was ME21. If you want to know what is the latest transaction code and what is the old transaction code, we can get from a table which is given by SAP. For example, you're not sure whether the transaction code which you are using is a old or new transaction, then you can pass that respective transaction code in the old and check in the table, or else you can pass in the new and you can check, and whether you can come to know whether it is a old transaction code or else any new transaction code is released by SAP. Okay, for example, if you see MB01, these transaction codes are old transaction codes. The MIGO has replaced all those transaction codes. So if you want to know what is the new transaction code introduced by SAP, if you want to know, we can go through the table. Go to SC11. The table name is PRGN underscore CORR2. Okay, this is the table. If you go and display the table details, okay, the table details we can see here. The table, the description is correction table for modified transaction codes in area menu. Okay, for example, whatever the SAP has given the latest transaction codes with additional functionalities, we can come to know with this. Here, system will tell you that which SAP release, and the S underscore T code field name indicates the old transaction code, and T underscore T code represents the new transaction code. Let us go for the testing. We can execute from here. For example, let's take old transaction MB01. Okay. MB01, the new transaction code is MIGO. For example, you want to know what are the earlier transaction codes replaced by MIGO. You can pass MIGO and execute it. See, these all transactions, MBST, MBSF, MB01, MB02, MB03, all these transaction codes can be replaced by MIGO. So MIGO can be used to fulfill all these requirements. ME21N, see the old one is ME21. Okay. Like this, you can know what is the latest transaction code introduced by SAP and what is the old transaction code which was used in earlier versions of SAP, we can come to know. Okay. For example, you don't know about the latest transaction codes. If you are using the same transaction, you can check this table to know whether SAP has released any new transaction code for the respective transaction which you are using in your business. For example, some of the companies have implemented SAP in 2004 or 2008 or 9. Later, SAP has introduced certain new things, new transaction codes, but it was not aware by the respective team. Then you can use this table to know any latest transaction code is released by SAP, so that you can adopt the new changes and new functionalities provided by SAP. I hope this table will definitely give you that, okay, these many transaction codes, okay, I was using this ME21 in 2009, okay, now I'm using ME21, these kind of differences or the details can be got from this table PRGN underscore CORR2. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.